Welcome back guys to another video tutorial of a challenge of free code camp section, and in this video we're going to be learning how to create React components. So it says that as the challenges continue to use more complex compositions with React components and JSX, there's one important point to note. Rendering ES6 style classes, class components with other components is no different than rendering the simple components you used in the last few challenges. You can render JSX elements stateless functional components and ES6 class components within other components. Interesting. So in the code editor, the types of food component is already rendering a component called vegetables, right? So where is it rendering the component vegetables? Yep. So it says that in this component, which is the type of food, is already rendering a component called vegetables, alright, which is over here. Also, there is the fruits component from the last challenge. Yes, there it is, and where's it gone? In this one here, fruit component. Alright, so it says then nest two components inside of fruits. First non-citrus and then citrus. Both of these components are provided for you in the background. Next, nest the fruits class component into the types of food component below the header, H1 header, and above vegetables. The result should be a series of nested components which use two different component types. Alright, cool. So essentially what it's asking us to do is we need to get the series of nested components which uses two different component types. Alright, so just to backtrack a bit, it says then nest two components inside of fruits. So this is our fruits component, so we need to nest those given components over here, and I'm just gonna make this section a bit bigger so you all can see the code easily. Alright, so it says that first non-citrus and then citrus. So these are other components. The reason why you're not seeing it over here because it's already been added and ready for us to reference in the background. Okay, so I'll add one closing tag and then two closing tags, and then I'll do non-citrus first. Actually, I'll just copy and paste it because I don't want to spell it wrong, and then citrus as well. Here we go. That's perfect. Alright, and then format the code a bit to look a bit presentable. Alright, so this one's done, and then it says then nest the fruits class component into types of food component. So we have got this component that we want to nest in types of food component, which is in this one. However, we need to make sure that we add it below the H1 header and above vegetables, so between this and this one. Alright, so H1 header is here and the vegetable component is over here. So I'll just create another self-closing tag and add it in there. Alright, I think that should be it. See how it all came up in the HTML page? Exactly, that's how you do it. Alright guys, I think that's all really. Let's pass our test. Yes, we're passing it. Thundercats, whoa. Alright guys, I really hope you understand the concept of how to create the nested React components, and how to nest them as well, as in different types of components, and how to rest them as well. If you have any further questions or you don't understand anything about this concept, um, shoot me a comment below in this video and I'll make sure I'll go back to you. Alright, as soon as possible. Until then, have fun practicing this new concept and I'll see you in the next video.